In this video, we are going to walk through setting up Creality Print to pass along some additional information to the printer. There are three different things that we'll pass along. We'll pass material for using with picking the correct Z offset. We will pass along whether or not we want to use CAMP, Adaptive Purge. And the third thing is passing along which build plate you're using. So you can install an option through the menus that will allow you to incorporate the build plates into the saved bed meshes. If you're having a problem where you have say a 70-35 bed mesh saved, but it requires a different mesh based on which plate is on there, you can install that option and then it can create meshes for each different type of plate. We will walk through that in a later video. So for creating the new printer profiles, go to Creality Print. You will come down here to your system presets and open up your K2 Plus system preset. That is chosen up here now. We'll hit the little pencil to open it up. We're going to go to Machine G Code, and that's right up at the top here. We're going to click the little pencil under Machine Start G Code. We're going to click over in the code on the right. We're going to hit Control A to select it all, and then we're going to press Delete to clear it out. The first one we're going to set up is to pass material only. We're going to go to the repository, github.com/rcpilot33/K2-improvements. Going to make sure we're on the main branch. We're going to go to Installer. We're going to go to Extras. We're going to go to Camp Adaptive Purge. And we're going to go to Slicer Templates. So here are the four templates made for Creality Print. One is material only, one is material in camp, one is material in surface profiles, and the other is material, surface profiles, and camp. So we're going to do the material only to start. Click on that, and it takes you to this code. So click anywhere in the code, Control A to select all, Control C to copy, and now we're going to go back to Creality Print. We're going to click in the box, and we're going to click Control V to copy the code. So what that added in is it added this part to the first line, which is material equals filament type initial tool. That will pass which filament you are running, whether it be PLA, PETG, ABS, ASA, and that way the printer can use that to select the correct Z offset for that filament. So we're going to click OK. We're going to do a save as, and we're going to name it something that makes sense to us. K2 plus material only. And you can name it anything you want. Click OK, and now that is the active printer profile. We'll just click Save, exit out of that. So that's one of the options now on my list of profiles. I have them made up. I call the material only standard. I have plate selection, I have camp, and then I have camp and plate selection. All four of these will pass the material to the printer. The other three add on the other options. So, and then I'm running the smooth PEI, which my smooth PEI is a glacier plate. So you can go ahead and create the other three using the same format that we just did. You can actually reuse this one, open it up, delete out what's in there, copy from the repository, paste it in, and then do a save as to a new name. And in the next video, we are going to move on to running our first print and setting the first Z offset.